Today I'm just going to do a vlog showing you how I prepare my morning for recording, because I have series of recordings that I need to do. I start by preparing myself, have a shower. I've done that. Use my lip moisturizer, which is very good. Clarins, this one. Love this cream. I can't do without it. It's very moisturizing. We move on to how I do my makeup. Well, I try not to use foundation. Just find it too overwhelming, and when I sweat, it just sips out of my skin. I don't use foundation at all. Let's get straight into it. Then I show you how I do my makeup. First, love my Benefit. Love this. It's a primer, but what it does is, because my skin is oily, it just absorbs the oiliness. It reduces oiliness on my skin. My skin is between oil and dry. I love this primer. I don't use much. This is the drop I just use, and I just dab it. I need to be looking in the mirror. Yeah. Then I just rub it all over my face. Yeah, it's done. The next thing I do, this concealer, it's called Bare Minimum. It's called Bare Skin. It's really good. I use this one, and sometimes I use Fenty type, but my favorite is this one, Bare Skin. So I just dab this one. I use this one because I wear glasses, so I have some eye marks caused by years of wearing glasses, so I just try to conceal these areas. That's all. Yeah, that's it for me. I've just used one of the best. Right, I'm just going to dab it into my skin now. I just dab it everywhere. I think it's done. Now my next step, I just use a tiny bit of this is MAC, and I just put a drop because it's slightly darker than the concealer. I just use a tiny drop. It's just a liquid type, so that I don't look too light with the concealer. I try to keep it very natural. I don't like heavy makeup, so I keep it as natural as possible. So this one I'm just using at the edge because it's darker. I don't know what they call it, whether they call it contour, but yeah, that's how I do it. This is a MAC liquid cream that I just dumped. It's not a foundation. If I use foundation, I just feel uncomfortable really. So I try to minimize what I use on my face, because this one is the shade more similar to my skin. Concealer is slightly lighter, so try to blend in. Done. First part done. Now what I do, this is the eyelash which I just use on my lashes. So I don't put much on my face. No, I try to be as natural as possible. You can see the difference already. Trust me, when I finish recording, I just wash it straight. After I finish recording, I wash the makeup off. Yeah, and my eyes are done. As you can see, it's just light makeup, just similar to my skin. Bare minimum of makeup. Foundation just irritates my skin, and I just feel really uncomfortable. Right, I've done my eyes. Cheek blush. It's also very light. You can hardly see it, and I'll show you what I mean. Although it looks pink, but once it's on my face, It's from Benefit. It's one of my favorite cheek blush. Don't know what you call them. I'm not good in describing names of makeups, but I know how to put one. I just concentrate on my cheekbones. Makeup is just a form of art, really, to know what your face, your skin prefers. Makeup is all about art, right? So it's more about knowing what makeup is compatible with your skin. As you can see, I've just put the blusher now. It's very, very light. You can hardly see it. We're nearly there. Right, like that. For my next call of protocol, it's Benefit Eyebrow Pencil. It's one of my best. That's the one I use. I start by brushing my eyebrows. As you can see, I've brushed my eyebrows. Then I'll use the other end. Just need to turn the mirror to magnifying mirror so that I see what I'm doing to my eyebrows. It's a rotating one. I just put up a bit. Just drawing my eyebrows now. Again, I want it to be as natural as possible. I try to go for bare minimum, very minimum makeup. So you can see I've just done my eyebrows. We're nearly there now. I don't use liner, but what I do, I use eyeshadows to just highlight the lower part of my eyelids. It just brightens my eyes. I'm using Naked. I just use one of my favorite colors. It's art. So you need to find what color is compatible with your skin. So that's what I do, because I don't like heavy makeup at all. Putting just a tiny line, because I have to be careful not to disturb my contact lenses as well. I've done this part. I don't use the powder just because I've used the primer. It absorbs the oiliness of my skin. Finally, last but not least, this Chanel lipstick. It's one of my best as well because it's natural like my lips. I try to be as natural as possible. That's how I prefer my makeup. It doesn't mean that I don't wear red lipstick, pink lipstick. I do wear them on my skin. I just try to minimize the amount of makeup I put on my skin. You see that I've got something, I've worn makeup, but it's so minimal. Lipstick and the gloss. So it's one of my best because it's very, very natural. Same color almost of my lips. You see? Same color as my lips. So I try to put 2 coats, maybe one, sometimes it depends. But today, probably I'll put 2 coats. Then I leave it to dry a bit. Makeup is art. I'll give you an example. The lipstick sometimes which suit my daughter doesn't suit me. Yes, some lipsticks we can share, but it depends what type of lipstick. So it's not all lipsticks suits my lips, really. So we're different a little bit on that. Even the foundation as well. I just leave my lipstick to dry. I just want you to dry quicker because I'm going to be recording today. It's going to be a long day. So I'm just going to put the gloss now. As you can see, I've put the gloss now. Yeah, makeup is all about what is compatible with your skin. I treat makeup as art. It's all about what is compatible with my skin. I'm done for now. I don't know whether there's anything else I need to show you on makeup. This is exactly my morning routine before I start to shoot several videos. I have to prepare my script the night before, and I wake up, shower, do my makeup as I did, and I'm just going to sort out my hair quickly and be ready for recording. If you have any tips at all that you have or how you do your makeup, I'm quite happy. I need to hear how you prefer to do your makeup, because as I say, we're all different. My daughter, she's different from me. The type of makeup, especially the lipsticks, sometimes the one she wears does not suit my lips. We are different. I would like to know if any ladies out there do similar thing, because I don't like heavy makeup. I don't like foundation. How many ladies prefer to wear foundation every time? I would like to know. Please like, subscribe, don't forget to press that buzzer so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching, and bye bye. I'm starting my recording.